Hello everyone, this is MB Kitchenette, where you can find easy, quick and healthy recipe. And today, I will share another recipe that is so healthy. Beef stew or goulash in Germany. Write in the comment which country you are watching my video. Subscribe and turn on notification bell for you to always be updated. Have 500 grams of beef, cut into cubes. Pour some water that is enough to cover the meat. Add 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of water and 1 tablespoon of peppercorn. Once it started to boil, remove those foamy form. Let it boil for 45 minutes or until tender soft. Then set as aside. Cut 2 pieces of medium-sized potato into cubes. This recipe is made easy for you to follow and I hope you can able to finish this video. Potatoes are rich in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, which make them very healthy. Here are some of the health benefits of potatoes. Improved blood sugar control, reduced heart disease risk, higher immunity, improved digestive health, prevent heart disease by keeping your cholesterol and blood sugar levels. Provide many vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, and potassium. Good source of folate, niacin, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, copper, and manganese. Antioxidants that prevent diseases and lots more. Have 1 piece of carrot and cut into cubes. This recipe is made for 2 servings. If you need to serve more, then adjust the ingredients. What are your views? Tell us in the comment. Your feedback helps us grow. Tell us what you would like to see next. Get half piece of bell pepper, remove the seeds and cut into square. Bell peppers are a rich source of nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and low in calories. They have powerful antioxidants, such as quercetin, that can reduce inflammation and protect the skin from damage. Fiber helps digestion and prevents constipation. Get 1 piece of tomato and cut into cubes. Tomato can help reduce the risk of heart disease and certain cancers, due to the antioxidant lycopene, protecting the skin from some of the harmful effects of sun damage, also because of lycopene, and promotes skin health, due to vitamin A. Explore our playlist for more healthy recipes. Cut or minced 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. It won't be a mistake with you add more. Can you still able to follow the recipe? Have a piece of red onion, cut and chop. Red onions are rich in antioxidants, such as quercetin, anthocyanins, and sulfur compounds, which help combat harmful free radicals and inflammation in the body. They increase immunity and prevent infections by fighting fungi and bacteria. They promote heart health by reducing high blood pressure and cholesterol levels. They prevent cancer by inhibiting the growth of tumor cells and inducing apoptosis. They have analgesic properties and can relieve pain and swelling. In a heated saucepan, put some drops of olive oil, and start to sauté the garlic and onion. Keep on stirring until the aroma comes out. What are your views? Tell us in the comments. Add the tomatoes and continue on cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the carrots and potatoes. Let it cook for 1 minute, then add 200 grams of tomato sauce and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Keep on stirring to make the ingredients mix well. Subscribe to join our community. We love hearing from you. Add the beef stalks, add half teaspoon of salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of vegetable flavor, 1 teaspoon parsley and 1 teaspoon of basil. Add the pre-cooked beef and continue cooking for 2 minutes. If you're looking for a thick and hearty beef stew, you've got to make this German goulash. It's made with thick-cut stewing beef and fresh vegetables like carrots and potatoes. This authentic German goulash recipe makes good use of a little red wine in the delicious broth. My friend, making video is not easy. If you think this video is helpful to you, then give me a like or comment and share. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you to be always updated. Have a happy, healthy meal.